welcome to Watch or Not. इस वीडियो में we will talk about weekly updates on cinema from India, Hollywood and across the globe. So let's quickly start with Indian movies. The very successful and popular courtroom comedy franchisee Jolly LLB से ये update है कि the third part of Jolly LLB which has both Akshay Kumar and Arshad Warsi इसमें एक और additional casting information है and that is of Huma Qureshi. As per the report, Huma, who played the role of Pushpa Mishra in the 2017 Jolly LLB 2, will be reprising the same role again in the third part. Filming of this part has already begun in Rajasthan, with Akshay Kumar and Arshad Warsi reprising their respective roles of Jolly the Advocate. Now, one news from the international cinema. The South Korean movie Exuma released in India this week on May 3rd in theaters. This is a supernatural thriller movie जिसमें one of the lead actors is Choi Min Sing, who you would have seen in iconic Korean movies like Old Boy or I Saw the Devil. The plot of Exuma revolves around two siblings who are asked for help by a rich Korean family residing in the United States. They believe that a bad spirit is after their newborn baby. So, to help the Korean family, Choi Min Sing, who specializes in spirits, with the support of some of his colleagues, start digging up dangerous graves, and this brings out terrible consequences that were hidden there. So, if you like horror movies, especially which are investigative and have gothic elements in the plot and do not rely on jump scares but rather uses the atmosphere, something very similar to what you would have seen in The Wailing, then you should definitely try Exuma. मूवी को हर जगह से रेव रिव्यूज मिल रहे हैं, ऑल्दो इंडिया में इसकी थिएट्रिकल रिलीज बहुत ही लिमिटेड हुई है. Coming to what is going to release this month, so on May 10th, Bollywood movie Shrikant, starring Rajkumar Rao in the lead role playing the character of Shrikant Bolla, who is an inspiring and highly successful business leader and founder of Bolla Industries. ये कंपनी जानी जाती है to provide employment opportunities for unskilled and specially abled individuals to create eco-friendly products. The film is directed by Tushar Hiranandani, and other than Rajkumar Rao, it also has Jyotika Alaya and Sharat Kelkar in key roles. I love the trailer. It's a mix of being inspiring, emotional, and also funny. So I am definitely looking forward to this movie. Among some other key releases taking place in Hollywood in May, one of my favorite and a very underrated franchisee is coming up with its fourth installment. I am talking about the Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes. After the success of the original trilogy, with Caesar in the key role as the messiah of the ape species and setting up their reign over humans in a deserving sense, the current movie is set almost 300 years after the time of Caesar and introduces a whole set of new characters. And the plot mostly revolves around Noah, a chimpanzee hunter who embarks on a journey alongside with a human girl named May to determine the future for apes and humans. Being a huge fan of this franchisee, I certainly am very excited for this movie. And finally, one of the biggest releases of 2024, one of the franchisee that I madly look forward to, Mad Max, is coming up with its prequel, Furiosa, a Mad Max saga. The movie has Anya Taylor-Joy and Chris Hemsworth in key roles. Anya Taylor will be playing the younger version of Furiosa, which was played by Charlize Theron in the original movie. Till now, all the trailers of Furiosa A Mad Max Saga have been really kick ass, and I personally think that Mad Max was one of the best action movies of the decade or post Matrix. So, I am personally very excited to watch this movie on the biggest screen. This was today's episode on the movie update. Stay tuned for more such updates from next week. And if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe if you really like the content.